Hello guys, I am back. Today I want to show you my unboxing of my BASEUS Ultra Gravity Stand. I bought it for $15 from Taobao China. I've been very curious to find the best stand for my foldable to use in my car. My foldable that I use is Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. So let's look around the box and see what inside. Okay. As always, from BASEUS, you got a very premium packaging. There is some of the effect. Okay, here is the image of the stand itself. It's more like a gravity stand. Okay, you put the phone in. This one drop down, and these two hand clip. Okay, you can see it's a part of foldable, and you can see it's a gravity based stand. Okay, here you can see you can use it fold it or unfold. Okay, where is the model number? Here is the model number, the BS-CM059. Okay, it make of the ABS and PU material. Okay, so let's go deeper. As already, there's some nice sticker from BASEUS. Okay, again some very cute sticker. Here is the warranty card, but who cares if it's $15? Who care about warranty, honestly? Okay, here is the clip, okay, to your air vent. Okay, you rotate and it's become bigger, and here is the head. Okay, you can see there is a leather feel, it's an anti-slip, and here you can see a BASEUS logo there, very small one. Okay, okay, so you can extend the arm and you can put it in and it clip. Okay, something like this. It feels very smooth and very silent. You can see, yes. Okay, so the stand, as you can see, look very premium. Okay, and it weigh around 105 gram, and it measure 121 millimeter in length, and 35, this one is 35 millimeter in width. And here if you total the length is around 123 millimeter, included the clip holder. It's called the gravity stand because it uses the weight of your phone to create a lock mechanism. It has the horizontal shape, you can see, so it's not going to totally block the air vent. The very new thing for me to see is there is a slot for the cable here, as you can see, this one. Okay, you can see there is a slot for the cable, so it's not gonna lose around. For a cheap car stand, you always hear the noise while driving, but this stand has a built-in silicone pad. You can see there is a silicone pad everywhere. Here, silicone pad. So it and also the mechanism is very solid, so it can eliminate the abnormal noise. This feature of one hand put in, put out without too much of a hassle, which I'm very like. I'm very happy to test it. Okay. It has an adaptive telescopic base that can flexibly adapt to widths between 68 and 150 millimeter. So I think it supports at least the iPad mini if you put it vertically, but not horizontally. Okay, so let's see how it works in my car and in real life. Guys, this is me putting my Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 unfolded using only one hand while driving. Okay, so as you can see, everything is put very easy and very secure. Okay, this is how it go against the bump when the car go up and down. Okay, you can see the stand is very secure and it does not move, so I'm very like it. So that's all for this video. Please leave a comment if you have any sharing idea or question. Thank you guys for watching. See you all in the next video. Bye bye.